Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh. And today we are going to discuss some other lessons and for the revision for end of the term 2 exams. I am sure you have seen part 1 video for this and you have learned something from there. Now we are going to continue the lesson. Okay, so this is going to be a little longer video, so have patience and try to learn something new. Okay, now the first thing is, what is the sum or difference? Sum means addition, difference means subtraction. Okay, so whatever they have written you have to calculate accordingly. Now I have told you this thing before in the part 1 video also, but now I am going to explain it again. See what I have told you. In case of addition or subtraction, what you can do here, you can just write this mixed fraction as the two different numbers, means 5 and 2 over 5 separate. Okay, then for this also another number 3 and 2 over 3 separately. Now what you do here, just if it is minus in between, if it is negative, then write both the numbers negative here. And if it is positive here, like in the second question I'll do here, then you will do both numbers positive. Okay, now just continue with this. You see 5 and 3 both are the whole numbers, then they can be subtracted easily. So 5 minus 3 plus 2 over 5 minus 2 over 3. Okay, now here you can see 5 minus 3 we can do it easily. So 5 minus 3 is 2. But what about this? Here we don't have same denominator. So what you can do, see, we got here 2. So most probably answer may be, I'm not sure. Okay, I'm not saying that will be the correct answer, but it can be like this one. Okay, but we'll complete the question. I'm not focusing you to make the shortcuts. Okay, see what we can do here. To make the coefficients, make the denominator equal, multiply this 3 by 5 and numerator also multiply by 5. Remember my dear students, whatever number you are multiplying in denominator, same number you will multiply in the numerator also. Okay, so here 5 multiply 3 and 2 multiply 3. Why we have done this thing? Because 5 multiply 3 will be 15 and 3 multiply 5 will also be 15. So both denominators will become same. Okay, so this is plus 6 over 15 minus 10 over 15. Now you see this is 2 plus, now 6 minus 10, negative number is bigger, so 6 minus 10 means minus 4 over 15. Okay, so what can be the answer then? 2 minus 4 over 15, you have to subtract something. Yes, so just you can write 2 as 1 plus 1 and then minus 4 over 15. See, from here you can have various ways to solve the question. Okay, like you can multiply this directly and then subtract this, and then you will have to convert into the mixed fraction, or you can do like this also. So this one come here as it is, no change in this, and then this 15 multiply by 1, 15 and minus 4 over 15. So what will be the answer? 1 plus 11 over 15 means 1 and 11 over 15. So this is the answer. Okay, now in the same way you can do that question also. I'm sure this question you understand. Now let's talk about this number 2. 4 and 5 over 6 plus 3 and 3 over 4. So as I have told you, just write the numbers separately. So 4 plus 5 over 6. Now this number is plus, so no need to worry about this much. So just write them separately, okay, with the plus sign. Now 4 and 3 together, and then 5 over 6 and 3 over 4 together. Now what we can do? 4 plus 3, 7 plus. Now you see denominator again it is not same. So what number you will multiply to 4 and 6 to make the same number? So we can multiply 4 by 3. So up also 4 by 3. 6 multiply by 2. So numerator also multiply by 2. Okay, why? Because 6 multiply 2 will be 12 and 4 multiply 3 will also be 12. Okay, remember denominator should be equal. So this is 10 over 12 plus 9 over 12. This is 7 plus 10 plus 9, 19 over 12. Now, what is this denominator? Denominator is 12, numerator is 19. So, numerator is bigger than the denominator. And what is the name of such fractions? Did you say improper fraction? Yes. So, this is 7 plus, what you will do for this? For 19, you can write 12 plus 7. Why I have written 12 plus 7 only? Because denominator is 12. So compulsorily one number should be the same as denominator. Now this number will go out and it will become 1. Okay. So this is 7 plus 1 plus left thing is 7 over 12. So 7 plus 1, 8 and 7 over 12. So this will be the answer. Okay. Again, I'm telling you, you can have various methods to add the fractions and mixed fraction. Okay. So this is one of the ways I have told you. Now, next is we have to calculate this. Now, I think I have told you in my another video also that whenever you are multiplying the fraction, okay, for example, if it is written A over B multiply C over D. So what you will do? You will multiply numerator with numerator and you will multiply denominator with denominator. And whenever required, you will simplify this. Okay. Now, see here, 5 over 8 multiply 2 over 3. Now, nothing can be simplified here, or we can simplify. You can see, yes, we can simplify 2 and 8. Yes. So 2 is up and 8 is down. So it means they are in division. So if you divide 8 by 2, how much you will get? You will get 4. So 2 from 1 here, and then 2 divides 8 means 4. So answer will be 5 multiply 1 over 4 multiply 3 means 5 multiply 1 means 5 and 4 over 3 means 12. 5 over 12. Okay. Now you see here number 5. 5 up and 5 down. They are same number and it is multiplication. So they will be cancelled out. Okay. So what you will get? 4 over 6. But my dear students, 4 over 6 will not be the final answer. Why? Because it can be written in the simplified form. So 4 what you can write? 2 multiply 2, or simply you can think the number which can divide both the numbers. Okay. So just I am doing this like factors. So 2 and 2 up and down same cancel. So what will be the answer? 2 over 3. Now next here, 3 up and 3 down, 4 up and 5 down, 4 and 5 down. Nothing can be simplified here. So just multiply them. 3 multiply 3 means 9 and 4 multiply 5 means 20. So 9 over 20 will be the answer. Why? Because it cannot be simplified further. Now next is 7 and 1 are up. So multiply them. 8 and 3 down. So multiply them. It is 24. Again, it cannot be simplified further. So this is the final answer. Next is the area model represents what product? Now see students, if they say multiply the fraction, then you can multiply by any method. Okay. You can use the model or you can use by direct method. It is up to you. But like here they are asking to use the model to tell the answer. So definitely you will have to understand this area model also. So what's that model? I will tell you. See, one side of this model represents one number and another side of this model represents another number. Okay. So how many total columns are there? You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means one of the numbers down will be 6. Okay. And how many columns in that from that 6 are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 are colored. So 5 will go up. So it means one of the numbers will be 5 over 6. So this answer is not possible. This answer is not possible. Okay. Maybe this is or maybe this is. Now you see, you will go to the another line. So how many lines are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So next number denominator will be 4. Okay. And how many of numbers are colored? Just only 1. Okay. Why I am saying 1? Because it is this is highlighted. It means this is overlapped. It is colored 2 times. Okay. So just 1. So 1 over 4. It means this is the correct answer. Okay. Now next is, what is the area of the square? Now what is the square you see? I am sure you know the shape. Square look like this, where all sides are equal. Okay. Means this is 1 over 3. This particularly for this question, this is 1 over 3 inch, 1 over 3 inch, 1 over 3 inch and 1 over 3 inch. So what is the area? Area of square is side multiply by side, or you can say side power 2. So this is 1 over 3 multiply 1 over 3. So 1 multiply 1 means 1 and 3 multiply 3 means 9. But my dear students, remember, whenever you are getting area, compulsorily units you will have to see, and that unit will be inch square. Here definitely you will have to see power 2. Okay, because in question in the exam they can say option A 1 over 9 inch, option B 1 over 9 inch square, option C 2 over 3 inch square, and option D we can say 2 over 9 inch square. Okay, so here you see we are getting 1 over 9 two times, here and here also, but here it is written inch and here it is written inch square. So we are finding area, so necessarily it should be inch square, it cannot be only inch. Okay, so make sure that you understand this thing. Now let's talk about number 6. I think it is like the same question. So this is a piece of paper is 1 and 1 over 4 inches long. This is 1 and 1 over 4 and 2 inches wide. So this is 2. So find the area. Okay, what is the area? So same thing. Area is equal to, this shape is called rectangle, where length and width are not same, they are different, then this is called rectangle. And its formula for area is length multiplied by width. Okay, so this is 1 over 4, 1 and 1 over 4 multiply 2. So this is, you will convert this into the improper fraction. So 1 multiply 4 plus 1 over 4 times 2. Now you can see 2 is up and 4 is down. So you can simplify it. Okay, so just divide it. So 2 will divide 4 and you will get 2, and up 1 multiply 4 is 4. 4 plus 1, 5 over 2, and 5 over 2 is an improper fraction. So convert it into mixed fraction, and what you will do here, 2 and 1 over 2 inch square. Remember the unit. Okay, again I am telling you. Now this question, a geologist is surveying land that is 3 over 4 miles wide by means this is the another side. Okay, 7 over 8 miles long. What is the area of the land and the geologist is surveying? So again, area is, just multiply them. Okay, 3 over 4 times 7 over 8. Okay, so 3 and 7 up, multiply them, 21. 4 and 8 down, multiply them, this is 32. And I think it cannot be simplified further. So its unit will be mile square. Okay, now the top of the table measures 1 and 3 over 4 feet by 2 feet. What is the area of the tabletop? Okay, so table means it is looking like a rectangle. So this is, its area will be 1 and 3 over 4 times 2. That is, convert it into the improper fraction. 4 multiply 1 and then plus 3 over 4 times 2. Again 2 is up and 4 is down. So you can simplify this. 4 multiply 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7 over 2. That is 3 and 1 over 2 feet square. Okay, now when you will finish your exam on Monday, then at your home, after all the exams of course, okay, then you will find the area of the tabletop at your home. Okay, and whatever area you will get, write in the comment. Now next is the weight of Natalie's backpack is shown. This is the weight. Okay, 6 and 2 over 3. Her brother's backpack weighs 2 and 1 over 4 times that much. What is the meaning of times? Did you say multiply? Yes, you're correct. So it means multiply. Okay, so what we have to do here, basically we have to multiply these two numbers, 6 and 2 over 3 times 2 and 1 over 4. So this is, just convert it into the improper fraction. So this is 6 times 3, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 over 3 times 4 times 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9 over 4. Now you can see 9 is up and 3 is down. So it can be divided easily. So you will get 3. Then 20 is up and 4 is down. So you will get 5 here. Okay. So 5 times 3 will be 15. So it will be 15 lb. Okay. Now the sister Michelle, the street Michelle lives on is 1 and 1 over 2 miles long. The street Lucas lives on is 1 and 2 over 5 times as long as Michelle's street. Again, you got the times here. It means 1 and 1 over 2 times 1 and 2 over 5. It means just convert it into improper fraction. So 1 multiply 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Students, I am sure you know how to convert into improper fraction, okay? In the previous questions, I have explained it, so just I am doing it little quickly, okay? So that this video can be little shorter for you. Now, 1 times 5, 5, 5 plus 2, 7 over 5. Now, this is, nothing can be simplified up and down. So, 7 times 3, 21 over 5 times 2, 10. Now, again, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So, this is improper fraction. You will have to convert it into mixed fraction. So, what you will do? You will divide this number. So, 21 divided by 10 is 2 times. 20 minus 1 it will be. So, quotient is 2. 1 is the remainder and 10 is the divisor. So, this is the answer. Okay. Now, next is Benson bought this much dog food last week. This one. Okay. It is written here in the picture. Make sure that in the exam you are reading the questions carefully. Okay. This week he bought this much times. Again, we have times. So, multiply them. 3 and 1 over 2. I will tell you one thing, my dear students, whenever you are finding the word problem in the examination, okay, I have seen in my class also, students, they try to escape from the word problem. They take it very difficult, okay? Why? Because this is little big. So just try to find the keywords in the question. Like here I found times. And you see, after that question will be very easy, okay? Because they ask how many pounds of dog food did Benson buy this week, okay? So just it is times means multiply. If you see more than, you make it plus. If you see less than, you make it minus. If you want to share equally, then you just divide it, okay? So 3 and 1 over 2 times 2 and 1 over 3. So this is 3 times 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7 over 2 times 2 times 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7 over 3. Okay, now 7 times 7, 49, 3 times 2, 6. 49 over 6, again you will have to write into mixed fraction. Then 6 times 8, 48, remainder will be 1 over 6. Okay, this will be the answer. Next is, which fraction will result in a product that is greater than 3 over 4? Now remember here one thing, if you want to find greater number, then necessarily numerator should be bigger than denominator, means up number should be big and down number should be small when you are finding greater number, greater answer, okay? So let's talk about it. So you see here, this is up number is small, down number is big. So this is not possible, okay? Here, up number is small, down number big, not possible. Up number is small, down number big, not possible. And here, up number is big and down number is small. So this is the answer. But make sure that you are reading the question carefully, okay? You must see that they are asking about greater number or smaller number. For example, you see, which fraction will result in a product that is less than 8 over 7. So here you find less than. So numerator should be small and denominator should be bigger. So here you see, this is a small number, this is big number, yes? So this will be the correct answer. But just for check another options also. Numerator is big, denominator is small, so not possible. Numerator is big, denominator is small, not possible. Same for this, not possible, okay? So if you want to find greater, then see, numerator should be bigger and denominator should be smaller, means it is big over small. But if you want to find less, then numerator should be smaller and denominator should be bigger, okay? Now, which expression has the product is less than? Now same type of question, less than the first factor. Question language they have changed, but meaning is same. Select all that apply. So you have to find the less than the first factor, yes? So less than the first factor means less than this, less than 78, less than 26, because these are the first factor, okay? Now, you see, what you will do here, you want to find less than. So what we are going to see, we will see that the numerator should be small and denominator should be bigger, okay? So here it is small, it is big, so this will be the option, okay? Then here it is big, here it is small, so this is not the option. Small, big, this is the correct option. Then small, big, so this will be the correct option, okay? Same for here, which expression has a product that is greater than the second factor? What is the second factor? 2 over 1, 75, 3 over 2 and 5. So what you will do? We have to see greater than. So greater than means you will see bigger number over smaller number. Okay, so here 3 is small, 4 is big, not possible. 2 is big, 1 is small, means up is big and down is small. So this will be the answer. 26, of course, it is a bigger number because 26 over 1 you can write. So this will be the answer. 9, up number is small, down number is big. So this is not possible. Okay, now next is some word problem. So we'll read the question carefully. Darren has a cooler with 9 liters of lemonade. He pours 0.3 liter of lemonade into each glass. Each glass means you are distributing it equally. You are sharing it. And sharing means division. Yes, I'm sure you know about this. So what we are going to do? We are going to divide 9 by 0.3. So what I told you in my another video in part 1, that if numerator is not having decimal point and denominator has decimal point. So how many decimal places do you have? Just one. So write here 1 0 and then cancel it. Cancel the decimal point. Okay. So 90 over 3. 90 over 3 means 30. So how many glasses of lemonade can Darren fill? 30 glasses. Okay. Now next is Mr. Ramirez bought a watermelon that weighs 12 pounds for a picnic. He cuts into pieces that each, again we are sharing equally, weighs 1.5 pound. So how many pieces of watermelon can Mr. Ramirez cut? Okay, so 12 over 1.5. Same problem, same situation. After decimal point we have one number, but in numerator we don't have any decimal point. So put 1 0 here and cancel the decimal point. Now 120 divided by 15, its answer will be 8. I'm sure you know the long division method. If you have any problem, you can tell me. I will explain you that also. Okay. Now next is, a grocery store got a delivery of 24 pounds of almonds. They package the almonds into containers with 0.75 pound of almond in each. Again, you see each word here. So divide it. So 24 divided by 0.75. Now how many numbers you have after decimal point? 2 numbers. So put here 2 zeros and cancel it. So this is 2400 divided by 75. Now how you will do? This is the big number. Okay. So you just try to divide with the small numbers. Okay. That is called highest common factor. If you know the long division, you can do by that also. Okay. But just for your simplicity, I am just dividing it by 5, or you can divide by 15 also. It's up to you. Okay. So let's divide by 15. 15 times 5, 75. 15 times 1, 15. Then remainder 9, 9, 0, 90. 15 6 are 19 and 0. And 160 divided by 5 means 5 times 3, 15, 1 remainder, 2, 5, 2 are 10. So 32 containers he can fill. Okay. Now next is, Melissa has $30 to spend on apples from a local apple orchard. How many pounds of apple can Melissa buy? You see, this is the price written here. So 30 divided by $1.25. Again the same situation. After decimal point you have 2 numbers. So put 2 zeros here and cancel the decimal point. Now 3000 divided by 125. Again you have a big number. Yes. So divided by, now this time I am dividing by 25, or you can do by any number whatever you want. Okay. So 25 times 5, 125. 25 times 1, 25, then 5 remainder, 25 times 2, 50 and 0. 120 divided by 5 will be, I guess, 24. So it will be 24. Okay. Now, next is, a car drove 104 miles in 1.6 hours. If the speed of the car was the same for the entire trip, how fast did the car go? How fast means you have to find the speed. And speed means per hour. And per hour means from 1 hour, so you will have to divide it. So speed is equal to 104 over 1.6. So again the same thing here. You have a decimal point after that. You have one number, so put 1 0 here and cancel the decimal point. And this is 1040 divided by 16. So what you will do? You can divide by some numbers. Can we divide by 8? Okay, let's see. 8 times 2, 16. 8 times 1, 8. Then 2 8 3s are 24 and 0. 130 over 2 means 65 miles per hour. Okay. Next is Oliver uses 1 over 6 gallon of water for his outdoor plants. He uses 1 over 4 gallon of water for his indoor plants. How many gallons of water does Oliver use in all? Means you have to make it plus. So 1 over 6 over 1 over 4. So you see denominators are not same, so you will make it same. How? Multiply 6 by 2, multiply 4 by 3 to make it 12. Okay. So here also multiply by 2, here also multiply by 3. So it will be 2 over 12 plus 3 over 12. 2 plus 3 means 5 over 12 gallons of water. Okay. Now, Heather uses 2 over 3 foot of yarn for her art project. She adds 1 over 12 foot to complete the project. How much yarn does total in all? So this is 2 over 3 plus 1 over 12. Now you can see again denominators are not same, but luckily we can make by one multiplication only. So 3 multiply 4, 12, 2 multiply 4 up also. So 8 over 12 plus 1 over 12 means 9 over 12. And you can simplify this also. Okay, how? 9 can be written as 3 multiply 3 and 12 can be written as 3 multiply 4. So 3 and 3 cancel. So answer will be 3 over 4. Okay. Now next is error analysis. Now question is Mia found the sum of 2 over 9 plus 3 over 9. How can you help Mia correct her mistake? So she did this calculation and then here she put equal to. So what she has done here, denominators are not same, so she has tried to multiply with some numbers. Okay, so what's the mistake here? She has multiplied by 4 here, multiplied by 4. It's okay, no problem. But here she has multiplied by 9 and in numerator she has multiplied by 2. This is wrong. Okay, and another mistake is here she will not multiply by 4. So what is the first multiply? First error is multiply by 2. Okay, this is the first error. She cannot multiply with the different numbers, means up and down number should be the same. Now second error is here she should not multiply by 4 because 4 times 4 is not equal to 18. 4 times 4 is not 18. Okay, so what she can do here, in place of multiplying by 4, you can multiply here this number 9 by 2 and no need to multiply here by any number. Why? Because here 3 by 4, 4 is already a multiple of 2. So just 2 multiply 2 is 4, then you will get the correct answer. Okay. Now you see some simple questions just for revision only. I will explain you one question and after that you can do another question yourself. Just complete mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 1, I am doing it again, okay, completely. 1 multiply 4 means side number multiply with the down number and plus numerator over denominator. Same here. 1 multiply the down number plus numerator over 5. So this is 4 multiply 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5 over 4. 5 multiply 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6 over 5. You can see 5 is up, 5 is down, cancel. 6 can be written as 2 into 3 and 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So 2 is cancelled. Answer will be 3 over 2. Convert it into mixed fraction. Why? Because numerator is bigger than the denominator. So 1 and 1 over 2 will be the answer. Okay, my dear students, practice all these questions yourself. And if you get any problem, then you can message me. Okay, I'm sure this lesson was little useful for you. And if you think that it will increase your knowledge, please like my channel, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Okay, thank you and have a nice time.